y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided that I wanted to play with this new blood sugar palette that I got by Jeffree Star. It has beautiful fall time shades in it, and I asked you guys on Instagram if you would have rather me use the Blue Bloods palette or the blood sugar palette, and this one won. And it actually works out because I've been wanting to do like a fall inspired video, so it worked out that these shades are like really fall time to me. So I got on with this, and if you want to see what look I achieve, then keep on watching. By the way, I just wanted to say my hair is fading, so if it looks like really weird in certain places, I'm trying to just let it fade out, and it's doing a really good job every time that I wash it. So I'm just trying to not overwash it, but definitely wash it a lot, and it actually is fading back to my pretty blonde color that I had. So I did go ahead and use like my foundation. I used the Urban Decay foundation, and I went ahead and did my eyebrows. They don't look the best today, but I've been so annoyed with my eyebrows lately. So anyways, I'm gonna do the rest of my face on camera, but I felt like those took the longest, so I just wanted to go ahead and do those to save some time. So I am going to go in with the City Bronzer by Maybelline for my bronzer. I don't want to do like too much, but because, you know, you're usually kind of paler in the fall. So that just added a little bit of color to my face. Now I'm going to go in with blush. So for blush today, I wanted to use more of a fall time type shade that I have. It looks kind of light, but honestly in the pan it's a lot darker. So this is in the shade Party. So I'm just going to take that on the same brush I used for bronzer, and I'm just going to pop that on the apples of my cheeks. That's a really pretty blush shade. Now for highlight, I'm just going to go in with this Fenty highlight, and I'm just going to put a little bit of highlighter on. So since I went ahead and did like concealer and foundation and stuff, I am going to take some setting powder and put it right underneath my eyes because I don't really know if this palette is going to have like a lot of fallout. So just to ensure that we don't like mess up our face and stuff, I'm going to take this powder and just press it under my eye. And I don't like expect a palette to not have fallout. This is a beautiful palette, by the way, and I do have diabetes, so it's pretty cool that it says like blood sugar palette. That's kind of cool. And some of the shades like are kind of diabetic type words, so I think that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go in, that's the wrong brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Sugarcane right here. It's kind of just like a light tan color, but I just want to use this as like a transition color. So that is what that transition shade is looking like. I think it's very beautiful. So I'm not trying to make this like too complicated where you like can't follow along or like it's kind of hard and it requires a lot of work and all that stuff. So I'm actually just going to go on my outer corner and use the shade called Ouch. And I'm going to pop that on my outer corner. These are beautiful, and like they really blend so easy. So those are beautiful, and I really didn't have to work or like I really didn't have to do much to like blend those shades. So I'm gonna actually take the shade Blood Sugar down here. It's like a burgundy shade. I'm sorry, I'm trying not to blind you with the mirror, but I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on the outer corner. Not too much, but just a little bit to give us more of like a pop of color. Ooh, that's so beautiful. And now I'm just going to take that big blender brush and blend that out. Also guys, I'm really excited to edit this video because my husband actually bought me a MacBook and I'm really excited to use it. It is my birthday / Christmas present, so I am very spoiled and I went ahead and got it. I'm so excited. I wanted to get one so that my videos would be a little bit better, and it's just so hard like editing on your phone. So I just wanted something to make it a little easier to edit. So I'm excited. So thank you, baby. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Donor right here. It's kind of like a dark, it's like a, oh my god, I can't even think of, gold. So I'm just gonna put that all over like the lid part. That is gorgeous. And I actually didn't have a lot of fallout. Like I really did think I would. But that is what the eye, I have this weird patch that lately has not been wanting to blend shadow. But guys, this is beautiful. I'm now just gonna take that same brush and just run it under my lash line. That is so pretty. So now I'm just gonna line my eye with the Physicians Formula eyeliner. And I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara off camera because I feel like that's just so like boring to watch. So I will be right back. So I went ahead and also lined my bottom lash, I always say lash line, my bottom waterline. I went ahead and lined that, and this, I know that this is more of like a basic look, but I really wanted to do something that everybody could do for fall. It would probably go with like kind of any outfit that you chose for fall. So I just really love this, and there are like a lot of shades in there where you can do like fun makeup looks, like out there makeup looks, and if you want to see one of those, I would definitely do that if you're interested. But I just wanted today's to be kind of simple and easy to follow along with, not using too many colors, not really having to put a lot of effort in, because I will say that with his shadows, you really don't have to try a whole lot, so that's pretty cool. So I am going to go in with a lip shade. So I'm going to go in with the shade Unicorn Blood. I know you probably can't see that, but I'm going to just use that all over my lips, and I think this is a very beautiful fall shade. It's like a really dark, rich, red-brown shade, but I think it'll be very pretty with this eye look. So that is what the shade looks like with this makeup look, and I think this is very pretty. This shade is definitely like a really vampy type shade, but I think it is so beautiful. So yeah, this is the completed look, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'm trying to make sure it doesn't get on my teeth. But I hope that you guys enjoyed. I really love that palette. I think that it's really beautiful. So I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. And if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe down below. And I will be trying to make at least one video every single week. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you guys have a great day. Bye, y'all.